Solar Panel Birdproof Kent is one of Kent's leading birdproofing companies for domestic and commercial customers who are experiencing problems with pigeons nesting under their solar panels. We know the problem these pesky feral birds cause from the excessive cooing noises and scratching around on your roof at all times in the day, especially in the morning. Not to mention the smell, blocked downpipes and gutters, and the inconvenience of having to clean up bird droppings from around your property and vehicles. Here at Solar Panel Birdproof Kent, we have the answer. With over 10 years experience, we know what works and what doesn't. We don't install inferior products such as bird spikes, chicken wire, or cheap plastic products secured with mastic. Our dedicated PVC coated wire mesh is robust and will withstand all types of weather and is designed to keep all types of small birds from under your panels, not just pigeons. Quite simply, our system is designed to last. We're so confident in our installations that all of our customers receive an ironclad 5-year guarantee for their peace of mind. Coverage for solar panel protection is across all of Kent. We install our pigeon deterrent on all types of domestic properties. If both you and your neighbour have panels, we offer discounts. We also carry out protection on many types of commercial and business properties, including warehouses, office blocks, government buildings. In fact, anywhere feral pigeons are causing a nuisance, you can be sure our team can resolve the problem. By protecting your solar panels, you'll increase the long-term efficiency of your energy investment. Contact us today for advice or to make a booking.